Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IS. Today we are going to have the Hindu analysis of 3rd February 2021. So let us see which are the important articles in today's The Hindu newspaper. Yes, these are the important articles. Let us take an overview of these articles. For men's related, some of the important developments. Yesterday also we talked about these developments. Today the proper analysis of whatever the military coup that has been happening in Myanmar, the neighboring state, a neighboring country. So here it is talking about the analysis or giving the analysis of these situations that are happening in the Myanmar. Along with that, it is also talking about why or the reasons behind such military coup. ठीक है, तो वो reasons हमें जान के लेने हैं. So it is giving some background from 2008 how the developments happened, how Myanmar progressed towards democracy, and now how it is again moving back to military, let's say, dictatorship. For prelims perspective, alarm over damage to heritage site. So it is talking about Lingaraja temple in Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha. So we will talk about the architecture from the temple architecture perspective about that temple. Then Jal Jeevan Mission urban to revive urban water bodies. So recently our finance minister in the budget, union budget 2021-22 has announced this new scheme for next 5 years, Jal Jeevan Mission Urban. Now this mission will have some of the components, and one of them is recycling of water. 20% of water in the urban bodies or urban areas will be provided through let's say recycling of water. Along with that, the tap water connections and urban water bodies, so their maintenance and their revival is also the important component. Along with that, the green spaces, creation of green spaces in the urban areas, तो हम इसके components देखेंगे. Along with that, next news, Sputnik 5 vaccine shows 91.6% efficacy. Now probably it may be the third vaccine in India to get such, let's say, rollout in India. Sputnik 5, Russia's vaccine, and this vaccine in its third phase of trials or human trials, it has shown 91.6% efficacy. So we will talk about that. And Amazon wins relief as High Court stays future group Reliance deal. ठीक है, तो ये क्या डील थी और उसके बारे में हम देखेंगे कि कैसे जो सिंगापुर में जो आर्बिट्रेशन कोर्ट है उन्होंने किसके फेवर में वो जजमेंट दिया था, राइट. एंड लास्टली ऑन page number 7 of the Hindu newspaper, the data that is given here, justice delayed. So some important facts can be taken from this regarding the vacancies in subordinate courts and high courts in India, and the because of that how the pendency of these cases goes on increasing. ठीक है, तो जुडिशियल रिफॉर्म्स में हम यहाँ से इनपुट्स ले सकते हैं पॉलिटी के लिए. फाइन, ओके. सो लेट अस सी नाउ फर्स्ट मेंस रिलेटेड टॉपिक. So the developments in our neighboring country Myanmar that happened yesterday, a day before yesterday, on 1st February, wherein the state emergency was applied for 1 year by military, and the democratically elected government has been, let's say, removed from that country, and military has taken over the administration of the country. Now we have to understand or analyze this situation in the background by understanding the background of all these developments. So what is this, let's say, the developments that are happening? First of all, the article is discussing the editorial page number 6. In first part it is talking about these developments and giving some analysis. So what is the what are these developments that are happening? So yes, the army, which is also called as Tatmadaw in Myanmar, claims that the November 2020 general elections had several irregularities. So they blame the Aung San Suu Kyi, उनकी जो पार्टी है NLD पार्टी, सो उनको ब्लेम करते हैं कि इलेक्शन फ्रॉड करके उन्होंने ये इलेक्शंस जीते हैं, right, general elections, and that's why there were already tensions between this military and democratically elected government. The army, which still nominates fourth of the parliamentary seats, Now here you have to understand this fourth means there is an arrangement in the constitution of Myanmar itself. What is this arrangement? 75 as to 25, यानी कि हम बोल सकते हैं कि 4:1 number of seats in the parliament. So this 75% seats in the parliament are democratically elected and 25%, the fourth of the parliamentary seats, are reserved for military officers. Okay, तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मतलब प्रीलिम्स में भी आपको पूछा जा सकता है, वन ऑफ द रीजन और यू कैन से the constitutional provisions, and along with that the military also retains some of the portfolios like defense, borders and interior, let's say internal security and such kind of portfolios. So military has its say in its own let's say Myanmar's constitution itself. ठीक है, तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि वहाँ पे उनको बहुत ज़्यादा पावर्स है. Along with that, it is also being said that if we talk about the analysis, so when Aung San Suu, जो वहाँ के जो हम बोल सकते हैं नोबल पीस लॉरेट जो थे और अर्लियर जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर वहाँ के हम बोल सकते हैं, so actually she is also considered as responsible for this coup. जो ऐसे सिचुएशंस उन्होंने क्रिएट किए हैं यहाँ पर कि उनकी वजह से भी हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी लॉस्ट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मूव द democratic reforms in, let's say, full-fledged manner. At the same time, she did not act on the military officers when they, what you can say, had some atrocities on Rohingyas in 2015, 16 and 17, we can say. Okay, and because of that her image was dented in the international let's say platforms or area. So what are the implications for India? Implications for India are we can say from time to time, or we can say in recent past, India has maintained the balance between the democratically elected government and the military also. For two purposes, because India promotes democratic values in the world, and for that purpose it somehow supported the democratic government. At the same time, the support to military was also important for the purpose of protecting our borders. At the same time, removing the insurgent groups from the Myanmar border. ठीक है, तो नागा इंसर्जेंसी या इंसर्जेंसी नॉर्थ ईस्ट. So these insurgents used to let's say take advantage of whatever the territories they are there beyond the borders in Myanmar. तो कोई भी वो insurgent activity करते थे और वापस से वो म्यांमार में जाके रहते थे वहाँ पे. So because of that we were not able to reduce this insurgency problem in northeast, and with the cooperation of Myanmar we have somehow to some extent we are successfully able to reduce this insurgency. ठीक है, so हमें military support भी करना बहुत ज़रूरी था. So this balance was maintained. However, now the new developments in international relations itself. First thing, the new geopolitics that is going on between US and China. This is the new development. Along with that, we have to also consider our position in South Asia. At the same time, we have to also be very strong in decision making here because of our election to UNSC non-permanent seat. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीज़ें कंसिडर करते हुए हमें जो हमारा जो रिस्पॉन्स होगा वो डिसाइड करना है. मेयर एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ deep concern that was given by Indian government recently will not be sufficient for long-term strategy. So long-term strategy should consider, first thing, new geopolitics that is going on in the world between US and China. Second, our standing in South Asian power. Second thing, and third, as a member of UN Security Council. तो इनको मद्देनजर रखते हुए हमें कोई भी जो भी रिस्पॉन्स देना है, वी हैव टू कंसिडर ऑल दिस फैक्टर्स नाउ, राइट. सो इन दिस मैनर वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस इशू. हाउएवर, वी हैव टू गो इनटू डिटेल्स in understanding the background of why there is military coup in Myanmar. So for that purpose, the second topic, the Hindu explainer, it is giving on the world page, why did military stage a coup in Myanmar? So we have to look into the background of developments in Myanmar since 2008. So in 2008, military itself devised constitution of Myanmar in 2008. Here the military had written a new constitution, and this new constitution had some arrangement or inbuilt provisions for military to dominate in the country. At the same time, there was a slow progress of moving towards democratic let's say institutions or democratic processes. ठीक है, तो ये म्यांमार में स्टार्ट हुआ था 2008 में. इन इनिशियल टाइम the NLD, which had not recognized the constitution, boycotted the 2010 first general elections, which USDP won. Now USDP is we can say army backed political party, Union Solidarity Development Party. ठीक है, while this LDP, League for Democracy, National League for Democracy, NLD sorry, so it is party of Aung San Suu Kyi. She is Nobel Peace Prize winner. ठीक है, तो उनकी पार्टी है वो. एंड इन फर्स्ट जनरल इलेक्शंस शी लॉस्ट because she did not recognize the constitution, while USDP won the elections. In the next 5 years, however, developments were against army. Army loosened its grip on the government and society. Political prisoners like Miss Suu Kyi was also released. At the same time, the sanctions on media regulation also weakened, or we can say that the freedom of media increased, media censorship reduced, and because of that, slowly what happened in 2015, the NLD won the elections and formed the government. ठीक है, तो ये डेवलपमेंट्स हुई है. और उसके बाद हमें पता होना चाहिए कि constitution itself provided for military backed actions. What are these provisions? So 3 important provisions we need to know. ये 2015 में जब इलेक्शंस हुए थे और जब ऑन्ग सान सू की जो है वो जब चुन के आए थे, तब एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट जो डिबेट चल रहा था फॉर प्रेसिडेंट पोजीशन. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोविजन इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? देख सकते हैं आप मिलिट्री वालों ने वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कैसे रखा है. दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन द प्रेसिडेंट मस्ट हैव मिलिट्री एक्सपीरियंस एंड ही हिमसेल्फ, his spouse or children shall not be the subject of foreign power or citizen of foreign country. Miss Suu Kyi, whose 2 sons are British citizens, cannot become president. तो ये बनाया गया था, ऐसा प्रोविजन वहां पे डाला गया था कि उनको प्रेसिडेंट नहीं बनाया जाए फ्यूचर में. ठीक है. सेकंड प्रोविजन, लाइक constitution also mandates the defense and interior ministries to be controlled by military. So internal security and defense is the domain of military, always remain the domain of military. Also 25% of total seats of parliament, that is 166 out of 664 members of member house are reserved for military, giving it a veto over any move to change the constitution. उनको वेटो पावर्स है और इसकी वजह से हमें समझ में आता है कि उनको ज़्यादा पावर्स है मिलिट्री को वहाँ पे. Okay, so what is next? After understanding all these developments in last 1 decade since 2008, पहले जो है USDP जीतता है, फिर NLD जीतता है, and then after second win now in 2020, what happens is military is again considering this as a fraud, election fraud. Despite of the election commission of Myanmar said that there are no such let's say malpractices happened in that election, तो भी मिलिट्री ने अभी मिलिट्री कू किया है वहाँ पे. So what next? What lies next here? We have to understand the geopolitics of US and China now. US has sharply reacted to these developments. Along with that, India has mildly let's say reacted by saying India expressed deep concerns. In future we can understand the long term strategy. But at present, US and China strongly want that the external influence should not be there. Any country should not, let's say, influence any matters in Myanmar. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, like China on 2nd February called for all parties to help maintain stability in Myanmar and refrained from criticizing the military leadership for seizing power in the coup and urged international community not to interfere. इसका मतलब ये है कि somehow this military in Myanmar will be backed by China. At the same time, Chinese interests have already grown in Myanmar through its investments in China. So somehow they will be secured. अगर US ने कुछ बोला भी तो China is backing Myanmar now. ठीक है, तो explicitly नहीं तो implicitly हम ज़रूर बोल सकते हैं. So however, even though there is outside support by China, the common people of Myanmar support the elected person, that is Miss Suu Kyi's popularity and energized NLD that was in power for 5 years would be impediment for them and their own unpopularity, that is military's unpopularity. ठीक है, तो in the end there is going to be, we can say that, protest against the military. Already the NLD has asked people to protest against the military coup. तो ये developments अभी in future होने वाले हैं. From time to time we'll try to cover these developments. Now we have understood the issue and what may happen in next or let's say coming days, ये भी हमने अभी देखा है. Fine? Okay. So moving on to prelims related articles. This INTAC, non-profit organization which is involved in protection of art and culture and architecture in the country, Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, it stated that there is irreparable damage done to this Lingaraja temple, 11th century Lingaraja temple in Odisha's capital Bhubaneswar, under this project, Odisha government's Ekamra Kshetra beautification project. So this is in news because of these developments. What is important for us for prelims examination is this Lingaraja temple. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हमने फोटो भी डाला हुआ है उसका. सो बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस टेम्पल, लिंगराज टेम्पल. सो इन ओडिशा some of the important, let's say, archaeologically important monuments are there, and one of them is this Lingaraja temple. Then there is Konark temple, then there is Jagannath Puri temple is there, right? So these are very important archaeological, let's say, monuments, especially related to Kalinga architecture in that region. Okay, so this temple is also very important example of Kalinga architecture located in Bhubaneswar, and this is dedicated to Shiva. Now here the Shiva as named as Harihara, it is, let's say, a combined form of Vishnu as well as Shiva. Harihara, deity का नाम जो है वो Harihara है, and Shiva is worshipped as Harihara in this temple. This shows that there was somehow blend of, or we can say harmony between Shaivism and Vaishnavism in let's say two parts of Hinduism. ठीक है, at that time. At the same time, it is believed to be built by the kings of Somvanshi dynasty, and modified additions were done by Ganga rulers, Ganga dynasty. So we can understand Konark temple और बाकी के जो temple है जगन्नाथ पुरी temple, they are built by the Ganga dynasty kings. But this temple is earlier temple, 11th century temple, built by Somvanshi dynasty in that region. ये information important है prelims के लिए. Along with that, it is built in Deula style, wherein there are 4 components of the temple. What are these 4 components? First is Vimana, major component, where the main deity in sanctum is located. Then second is Jagamohana, assembly hall. Then Natamandira, that is festival hall or dance hall जिसको बोलते हैं, and lastly Mandapa, hall of offerings. ये 4 components है उस मंदिर के. right? So this basic information you need to know about this. At the same time, the basic or general knowledge जिसको बोलते हैं हम, भुवनेश्वर is called the एकाम्र क्षेत्र. This may be asked in your prelims examination. Why it is called Ekamra Kshetra? Because of Ekamra Purana of 13th century. In this Purana, it is mentioned that the deity of Lingaraja was originally under the mango tree, Ekamra, as noted in this Purana. In 13th century संस्कृत पुराना. ठीक है, तो ये लिटरेचर का पार्ट है एकाम्र पुराना, उसमें लिखा गया है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज एकाम्र क्षेत्र, दिस रीजन. At the same time, this temple faces in the eastern direction. Generally, all these temples in the let's say eastern coast, they face to the east. At the same time, it is built of sandstone and laterite. किस मटेरियल से बना है वो भी हमें पता होना चाहिए. So this much information is sufficient. You can attempt this practice prelims question and you can answer this in the comment box so that there will be two-way transactions. ठीक है, और कम्युनिकेशन हम बोलेंगे. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हियर और द आर्टिकल जल जीवन मिशन टू हेल्प रिवाइव अर्बन बॉडीज, वाटर बॉडीज. ठीक है, तो जल जीवन मिशन, दिस वाज अर्बन, जल जीवन मिशन अर्बन, जल जीवन मिशन रूरल, दैट इज ऑलरेडी गोइंग ऑन, एंड जल जीवन मिशन अर्बन component now, urban scheme has been launched in this year's union budget. And what are the important components here? First thing, 20% of supply will be from reused water, or we can say recycled water, first component. Then rejuvenation of water bodies, urban water bodies, this is the second component. And the major components like urban household tap connections, जो भी बचे हुए हैं उनको देना है urban water tap connections. Then sewer connections will be there, fourth point. And fifth point is, we can say, creation of green spaces. So 5 important components of this. First, rejuvenation of water bodies, or we can say first urban let's say tap connections, household tap connections. Second, sewer connections जो भी बचे हुए हैं उनको. Third, rejuvenation of water bodies so that the fresh water supply is continuously provided to urban area. Third or fourth, 20% of the water supply will come from the recycling of water. And fifth, creation of green spaces. ठीक है, ये components है जल जीवन मिशन अर्बन स्कीम. ठीक है, now moving on to next article. Sputnik 5 vaccine shows 91.6% efficacy. So the phase 3 trials, ठीक है, phase 3 human trials of Russia's Sputnik vaccine, 91.6% efficacy. Now the advantage here is that 2 to 8 degrees Celsius storage temperature for this vaccine. So we can understand in India we have such kind of infrastructure with us, like the earlier 2 vaccines, AstraZeneca Covishield and Covaxin जो है हमारे यहाँ पे जो डेवलप हुआ, तो ये अभी थर्ड ऐसे जो वैक्सीन है, बिकॉज डॉक्टर रेड्डीज लैबोरेटरीज हैज कोलैबोरेटेड विथ रशियाज लैबोरेटरी. तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए डॉक्टर रेड्डीज लैबोरेटरी in Hyderabad, it is going to produce this Sputnik 5 vaccine, you can say. Fine. So this is again the added development in COVID-19 vaccine now. Amazon wins relief as High Court stays future Reliance deal. So what is important that we have to understand here is earlier the Amazon has bought the stakes in this future groups. Okay, and there was let's say the contract between this Amazon and future groups. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, sorry, यहाँ पे Amazon acquires in 2019 stake in future coupons in a deal that e-commerce firm says included a first right of refusal in any stake sale in future retail. तो उनको वो राइट उन्होंने लिया था उसमें, और उसके बाद में उनको बिना पूछे फ्यूचर ग्रुप वॉज सोल्ड टू रिलायंस. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हो फ्यूचर ग्रुप अनाउंसेस इट हैज एग्रीड टू सेल बिजनेसेस इंक्लूडिंग इट्स रिटेल एंड होलसेल ऑपरेशंस टू रिलायंस रिटेल आर्म. Amazon seeks legal recourse now. ठीक है, now the Singapore International Arbitration Center stays this future Reliance deal बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रोविजन, या जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुआ था कंपनीज में. सो थ्रू दिस आर्बिट्रेशन कोर्ट, नाउ आवर हाई कोर्ट has said that, Delhi High Court has said that this verdict of arbitration court is enforceable in India. Okay, and that's why now it has stayed this deal, provided interim relief to Amazon by directing Future Retail Limited to maintain status quo with regard to transfer of its retail assets to Reliance Retail. So further developments will look into them, but right now the Delhi High Court has stayed this deal between Future Group and Reliance. तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि सिंगापुर इंटरनेशनल आर्बिट्रेशन सेंटर, यहाँ पे जो है सिंगापुर में काफ़ी इफिशिएंटली आर्बिट्रेशन होता है, राइट. सो वी ऑल्सो एज वांट टू बिकम एज हब ऑफ आर्बिट्रेशन. तो आर्बिट्रेशन से रिलेटेड हमारा जो एक्ट है 2019 का, so we have to look into that act also for mains examination. GS2 में गवर्नेंस का पार्ट जो है उसके रिगार्डिंग आपको क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. फाइन, यस. सो लास्टली दिस डेटा ऑन पेज नंबर 7 of the Hindu newspaper, what it is talking about, it is talking about the data here, India Justice Report 2020. According to India Justice Report 2020, more than 20% of the position of subordinate court judges were vacant in 8 major states. At the same time, yes, the other such data like positions vacancy, over 70% of High Court judge positions were vacant in Andhra Pradesh, 38% in the subordinate courts position were vacant in UP. तो ये सारी चीज़ें आप यहाँ से कुछ फैक्ट्स ले सकते हो. एट द सेम टाइम पेंडिंग केसेस के भी कुछ फैक्ट्स दिए हैं. स्टेट वाइज इट इज गिविंग सम फैक्ट्स. सो इंडिया जस्टिस रिपोर्ट कैन बी रेफर्ड हियर. जब भी आप फैक्ट्स देते हो तो ये फैक्ट लिख के आप बता सकते हो, इंडिया जस्टिस रिपोर्ट. फाइन. सो फॉर GS2 पेपर जुडिशियल रिफॉर्म्स के ऊपर आप ये जरूर मेंशन करिए. फाइन, यस, दीज वेर इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल्स फ्रॉम टुडेज द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर. अगर ये आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है तो आप इसको लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए, आपका फीडबैक बताइए. एट द सेम टाइम, फॉर फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन एडिटोरियल डिस्कशन क्लासेस और ED क्लासेस wherein in-depth analysis of mains related issues and articles is done by Ansari sir and team, you can contact Lukman IAS. Thank you.